Are you tired of messy Jira boards with no clear breakdown of work? Learn how to create Subtasks in 30 seconds. In this tutorial, I will show you exactly how to open your project, select a task, and add a subtask in just a few clicks. Now, the first thing you want to do is log into your Jira account. You will land on your dashboard, which can feel a bit overwhelming at first. But do not worry, we are going to take this one step at a time. Once you are in, you are ready to move on. So from the left side panel, you want to find and open your Jira project. This is the panel that lists all your projects by name. Just click on it. This is where all your work lives, so getting comfortable navigating this panel is a huge time saver. All right, now you are inside your project. Scroll through the backlog or the active sprint until you find the specific task you want to break down. Click on it. And here is the really important part. Do not just double-click to open it in a new window. Just a single click will do the trick. Now, pay attention to this one. When you click that task, a panel will slide open on the right side of your screen. This is the task detail view. It shows you everything about that piece of work. The description, the assignee, the status, and it is exactly where we need to be to add a subtask. Click it. This is the magic button that turns your big, intimidating task into a list of smaller, manageable pieces. A text field will appear right there in the panel. This is where you type the title of your subtask. Think of this as naming a smaller chunk of work, something like design the login page or write unit tests for the API. Keep it clear and specific so anyone on your team knows exactly what it covers. Finally, to finish, you have two options. You can click the blue Create button, or you can simply press Enter on your keyboard. I usually just hit Enter. It is faster. And just like that, your subtask is created. You will see it appear nested right under your main task. So now you know how to turn a single overwhelming task into a clear, organized list of work. It changes how your board looks and feels. Give it a try on your next big task. You will be surprised how much clearer everything becomes.